No early that. Fizzle. You want go on animal? I go on Addy. You know say, it's a little rape charge them have me for. Me hear say you go harder than Devon and Lexus. Why pray? That's what them a say. But you know, a real zebra me there try beat though. But me no reach them levels there yet, you know. Fizzle. Underage you go do dog. Why pray? Leave those stains. Not no go so dog. Me no go below 16. 16 am limit dog. Me no go below that. I show the girl body little. I'ma put on the thunderous fuck on it. And bust her out with the anaconda. In a jigger style. I vex me she go inform for me daddy. But when me come out me go harder than zebra do. Now say a word me charge it. Just link me when me come out. Me get better at hiding bodies. Nobody can find me dash your body now. Just have to beat them charges, you see?
Yo, no talking in the cell.
I'm tell you, you know what me be? Them can't talk me in my mouth. Them can't boss me. Gary, easy.
Ellie, you get me?
Fizzle. See up on the other side, my brother. If JPS can't hold me down, I now gonna make a bust up pussy girl mess up my career, is it? Cause the people them want music. I'm out.
The system of training, they must